Good day, Doctor. My name is Poh Lok Yee from Section 12, Network Communication. Today, I'm going to present my group project on the network planning and also the implementation. So, first of all, in the task 1, we have formed a group, which my group name is 4FABs, and I'm the group leader of the group. And my team member consists of me, myself, Chao Injap, Wu Ching Xuan, and also Sabrina Heng Wei Chi. So, our first task was to analyze the case study and also propose a floor plan based on the given requirements. I was responsible for designing the student lounge and also the first floor, while others members handled different rooms and floor. So in this task, I learned how to design a building layout that accommodates all necessary facilities and also requirements. In task 2, we had conducted a preliminary analysis with each member generate 4 questions and also research for answers. After gathering all the questions, we determine the feasibility of the project in different aspects, which are technical, economic, operational, and also security. Within this task, it has improved my ability to analyze the networking needs, conduct the feasibility studies, and also develop the structured research question. In task 3, it's all about choosing the appropriate LAN devices. In this task, we are doing the research and also list out the devices needed for the whole building, while me and Wu Cheng Xuan is responsible for the first floor, while Sabrina and Chao Ying is responsible for the ground floor. After discussion for overall devices needed for the whole building, each of us are responsible for doing the research on the different types of the devices that we are gathered. The devices that I was responsible is switches, smartboard UPS, and also the projectors. We selected the networking devices based on their specification, performance, and also the cost. Through this task, I've gained experience in selecting the networking hardware by comparing the specifications, performance, and also cost to ensure an optimized and budget-friendly setup. In the task 4, it's all about the LAN and WAN connection. First of all, we discuss the work area and also the network connections within our buildings together. After discussion, Sabrina and Cheng Xuan plan the distribution of the devices, while me and Chao Ying are designing the cabling system and also devices arrangement. We also identify and also calculate the type and length of the cables, while the patch cord and switch port is determined by Cheng Xuan and Sabrina. So within this task, I've learned how to optimize the network performance by designing the structured LAN and WAN connection that minimize the latency and also ensure their efficient data flow. In task 5, we work on the subnetting and also the IP assignments. This is the network address given by lecturer, and we have calculated the network address, broadcast address, and also the range of usable address. After discussion, we decided to make 8 subnets for our buildings. Injap and I handle the subnet dividing and also calculate the network address and broadcast address for each subnet, while Sabrina and Cheng Xuan assign the IPs to all the devices. These have improved my understanding of subnetting and IP address management. The last task will be compiling all the tasks and information inside the group report. Me as a group leader, I ensure all the tasks were complete and also the report was well structured before we hand in. This reinforced my documentation and also the project management skills. Since I was the group leader, I took responsibility for managing our workflow and ensuring that we complete the tasks on time. One of my key roles was making sure that all the tasks are fairly distributed so that everyone contributed equally. I also helped to resolve any issues or challenges that comes up during the project. A major part of my role was leading the decision-making process. Sometimes we will have a different opinion on the task, and I make sure that we discuss together before making a final decision. I also contributed to the technical tasks directly, such as designing the floor plan, network distribution, and more. Besides the technical contributions, I also facilitate the discussion, both face-to-face and also the online, so that I can ensure everyone is understood their tasks and share their progress. Through this project, I learned how to balance my role as a leader but also being an active contributor. Leadership isn't just giving instructions, it's also about to listening to different perspectives and also making sure everyone feels involved. One of the key challenges was the communication between the group members because I need to managing the different opinions from them since everyone has their own ideas. I had to make sure that all the suggestions were considered fairly and also ensure everyone's input was valued. I also learned that collaboration is more effective when everyone is encouraged to contribute rather than just following the instructions. With a good collaboration between members, it leads to a better decision making and also make the project more efficient. This experience showed me that effective teamwork is built on leadership, communication, and also the collaboration. From this project, I gained a deeper understanding of the network infrastructure, planning, and also implementation. Beyond just theoretical knowledge, I learned how to apply the network principle in a real world scenario, which is valuable for my future career. One of the biggest lessons was how to balance the three key factors in network design, which are performance, security, and also the cost. A good network setup isn't just about using the best devices, it's about making sure the system is efficient, secure, and also within the budget. I also become more aware of the challenges involved in the network setup and also the management. Overall, I'm very satisfied with our project. It provides me a valuable hands-on experience which include the network planning, device selection, and also the infrastructure devices. This project allowed us to apply theoretical knowledge to the real-world scenario, making the learning experience more practical and also meaningful. By working on this project, and also strengthen my confidence in handling the network-related tasks. And that's all from me. Thank you.